For this NSDR, you are welcome to come and lie down on a mat or a thick blanket, making yourself as comfortable as can be. Perhaps you want to grab a blanket to cover yourself, or maybe using a pillow underneath your head for support. Or maybe there's some other props you have available. And as you come to lie down, maybe just let yourself have a second or two just to land on the mat. And if you'd like, you're welcome to close down your eyes, or perhaps you'd rather keep them slightly open. You could try to make your head, neck, and spine align. Maybe moving your shoulder down from your ears and tucking your shoulder blades in for more comfort. Perhaps even placing your arms out to the sides with the palms facing up. Your legs could be out straight with the feet flopping out to the side, making sure that the inside of your legs don't touch. Or, if you rather, you could have your feet flat on the floor with your knees up. And as you come to lie down, or as you come into this form, feel free to adjust your clothing or props, making sure that every part of your body feels as steady and comfortable as possible. And at this point, if you'd like, you're welcome to take a big breath into your nose and then sigh it out through your mouth. Feel free to do this a couple of more times in your own speed, your own rhythm. Now, let your breathing come back to its natural rhythm. It is time to let go of some muscular tension. Perhaps starting off with your head. Maybe start noticing where the back of your head touches the ground supporting it. Noticing its very place of contact. Just letting your head be supported by the ground underneath you. And from there, start bringing your awareness towards your face. And if you'd like, you could start squeezing all the muscles around your eyes and forehead, your nose and cheeks, and even squeezing up your lips and mouth. And then just holding it for a second or two. And then let go. Letting all the muscles soften around your eyes, your cheek, and your mouth. And if you would like to go a little bit further, you can even open your mouth a little. Maybe just wiggle your jaw around. And then come back to stillness. Perhaps letting your teeth part slightly. Maybe even your lips part. Letting all the tension in your face just melt away. There is no need for any facial expression of any kind. So just let your face soften and relax. Bring your awareness to your right arm. And all the way from your fingertips, all the way up through your shoulders, start squeezing the muscles in your fingers. Maybe making your hand into a fist and letting that tension move up through your arm all the way into your shoulder. And then let go, allowing all the muscles to relax, softening and relaxing. Bring your awareness to your right leg, and all the way from the tippy toes all the way to your hips, start squeezing your muscles. Maybe just a little bit more. And then relax, letting all the tension drain away, noticing the muscles relax, and perhaps how that feels. Just noticing what relaxation might feel like. or even noticing those shifting sensations between tension and relaxation. And at this point, if you need to change your position, your props, or even clear out your throat, feel free to do so. Remembering to stay awake and alert. Bring your awareness to your left arm and all the way from your fingertips up through your shoulder. Start squeezing your muscles and maybe a little bit more. And then let go. Letting your arms become heavy. Letting your arms soften and relax. Bring your awareness to your left leg and adhere all the way from your tippy toes, all the way through your ankles, lower legs, upper legs, all the way to your hips. Start squeezing all those muscles all at once, and then let go, allowing your entire leg to relax and let go. And perhaps noticing a comfortable heaviness in both your legs and both your arms as they relax more and more. Just noticing those sensations that you might be experiencing here and now. And now, bring your awareness to your buttocks and squeeze these muscles and feel that tension. And then let go. And from here, perhaps bring your awareness around your abdomen and your navel area. And if you'd like, you could even start pushing your navel outwards, almost like you're creating a little bit of space inside there. And then let go. Relaxing and softening more and more. And every time you breathe out, you could try to relax even a little bit more. Relaxing and softening more with every exhalation. Remembering to stay awake and alert. And even though your eyes are closed, if you'd like, you could even try to open them just for a second and then letting them close again. Just noticing that relief. We're going to slowly start to transition back. And in your own way, you could start noticing your surroundings. Perhaps noticing the ground underneath you, or maybe the space around you, or even start noticing the sounds around you. Perhaps there's some sounds in the distance, or maybe there's some sounds closer by. And whenever you feel ready, you're welcome to start bringing some movements into your body, slowly waking up your body. Perhaps bringing some movements into your fingers, your toes, maybe rocking your head from side to side. And if you'd like, I'd like to invite you to reach your hands overhead, stretching your fingers all the way from your tippy toes all the way through your fingers, stretching every little part of your body, every little part of yourself. And if you'd like, you are welcome to just stay here in stillness for as long as you'd like. But as we're coming to the end of this NSDR, another invitation could be, in your own way, to start coming up into a comfortable seated form. And when you feel ready, perhaps even slowly opening up your eyes. And thank you for joining me for this short NSDR.